Hey guys, what is up? I am uploading my second Halloween tutorial of 2018 and I decided to do this goth baby look. The wig I am wearing is from ft.Sowigs and I'm going to be kind of doing this look from start to finish, starting first with the customization of this wig. So let's go ahead and get started. So this wig is synthetic. I wanted to go ahead first by kind of getting some of the shine out. I am using a dry shampoo. Didn't know if this would work or not, but it actually did. I didn't put too much, I just kind of shook it in there, and I think that it got rid of some of the shine. Also, baby powder or translucent powder can work too. So I've already thinned out this hair. I just use a razor comb, and right now to me this looks a lot more natural than it did in the box. So if you have any synthetic wig that you think looks too thick for your head shape, there's always a way to thin it out. If you want a separate video on that, you guys just go ahead and let me know. And this part is easy. I'm just going to be taking my favorite powder or foundation, and I'm going to further color the lace for my scalp. So I'm gonna put on this wig. As far as the application, it fits really nice. Yeah, it fits really nice. I might have to go in still and actually darken the lace a little bit more because it's still looking a little bit too light for my scalp. All right, so I've got my little mirror here. I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics contour palette. So y'all can see this right now. There we go. Hair up with a scarf, dries and lays down. All right, so I'm gonna be back in maybe like 10 minutes. Okay, so I've waited a few minutes, more like 15, and this is what it's looking like. Just kind of make it a little bit more seamless. And I honestly like how the hair has been holding up as far as it being like pretty flat to my head, like it doesn't look unnatural. And I like that. I'm gonna kind of show you guys what it looks like when I'm standing up. I also like cut some hair off to make it look less thick. And I think I did a really good job. Like, it looks pretty natural. And now we're gonna go ahead and style the hair for this video because I kind of wanted to do kind of like a gothic doll type of look. But I'll talk about more of the hair as I'm kind of putting it in this hairstyle. The hair is extremely soft. I love the ombre that's kind of going down here. But today I'm gonna do kind of like a pigtail look. Okay, so I finished this. I think I did such a good job for this look. I am super excited to wear this like a Halloween party or something. So I will now go in with the goth doll makeup. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it. It's probably gonna be the name. Don't know yet, but let's get started. Thank you to ft.Sowigs for sending me this awesome hair. I did get the hair pretty quick with shipping also. Like, that was the biggest thing. I got it super fast. And I think I did a really good job with doing the baby hairs and stuff. I think it looks pretty natural. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so that's it for my goth baby makeup tutorial and hair. I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that you liked my second Halloween tutorial of this year. Stay tuned for more, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!